Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're plunging into the really remarkable story of Databricks, a name that's just shot up, becoming this preeminent force in data and AI.
Right.
We want to unpack how they pulled it off, how they achieved such dominance.
It's a fantastic story, really. It's about growth, but also smarts.
Yeah.
I mean, think about it. A $6.2 billion valuation in 2019.
Yeah.
Then bam, $62 billion early 2024. That kind of money trail, it tells you they hit on something big.
Something fundamental.
Exactly. They're tackling this core problem that honestly plagues so many companies. Data just scattered everywhere, fragmented.
Okay, so let's unpack that. Where did it all begin? Their roots are in Apache Spark, right?
Yeah.
The founders were the actual creators, Mate Zaharia.
That's the key. Yeah. I mean, what a head start. Spark totally changed the game for big data processing.
So compared to what came before, like Hadoop.
Oh, night and day. Hadoop MapReduce. It was powerful, but, well, kind of clunky. Lots of writing to disk. Spark used in-memory processing. So for some jobs, up to 100 times faster. Even for big data sets, usually like 3 times faster.
Wow.
Which was massive for real-time stuff, for machine learning where you iterate a lot. So this creator's advantage wasn't just bragging rights.
No, it was deep technical insight.
Deep insight, yeah. They knew the pain points because they'd lived them.
Okay, so that foundation is set. But then they made this big architectural bet, didn't they? Moving beyond just Spark.
Right, because you had this split personality in data management historically.
You had the data warehouses, very structured, good for BI, but expensive, and not great for raw data or AI.
Exactly. Costly, inflexible for modern needs. Then you had data lakes. Cheap, flexible, great for dumping raw data.
But they turned into data swamps.
Precisely. A mess. No governance, unreliable. So you were stuck choosing between structure and chaos, basically.
So Databricks comes along and says,
They said, why choose? Let's build the data lakehouse. That's their big idea.
Lakehouse, okay.
It combines the scale and flexibility of the lake with the reliability and governance of the warehouse. ACT transactions, all that good stuff.
So one single place for everything. BI, AI, raw data.
That's the vision. One unified platform, breaking down those silos that cause so much trouble.
So for you, the listener, dealing with maybe mountains of data, what does this Lakehouse do? It's not just a concept, right? There's tech behind it.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It's built on real pillars. You've got Delta Lake, Unity Catalog, MLflow. These are the workhorses.
Okay, break those down a bit. Delta Lake.
Delta Lake basically takes that unreliable data swamp
The swamp.
and makes it reliable. It brings ANSI transactions to your lake data, schema enforcement, so no more garbage in, garbage out, and even time travel.
Time travel, like version control for data.
Exactly. Go back to previous versions, huge for audits, fixing mistakes. It turns the lake into a trustworthy foundation.
Okay, got it. And Unity Catalog.
That's all about governance, unified governance, fine-grained control over who sees what across all your data and AI assets. Super important for compliance, responsible AI.
Essential these days.
Totally. And then there's MLflow. That tackles the machine learning lifecycle, building models, deploying them, managing them. It makes that whole process much, much smoother.
So these pieces all work together.
They really synergize, yeah. It's an ecosystem designed to handle the whole data journey, from raw ingestion right through to advanced AI.
Makes sense. But it wasn't just tech brilliance, was it? They made some sharp business moves, too. That valuation didn't just happen.
No way. Investors saw the Lakehouse wasn't just cool tech. It solved a massive, expensive problem. Data fragmentation was and is a huge drag on companies trying to use AI.
And they didn't lock people into one cloud provider either.
Crucial point. Multi-cloud AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, that was huge. Enterprises hate vendor lock-in. So that opened up the market massively. Plus, their deep roots in open source, especially Spark and Delta Lake.
Builds community, builds trust.
Exactly. It creates this natural adoption ramp. People try the open source, they see the value, then they look at the enterprise platform.
Smart. And they've leaned heavily into AI recently. Generative AI.
Oh, aggressively. Acquisitions, partnerships like with Anthropic. They are positioning themselves not just as a data platform, but an AI platform built on that unified data foundation. They're skating to where the puck is going.
So when you put it all together, Databricks dominance, it's not down to just one thing. It's this potent mix.
It really is. Foundational tech from Spark, that visionary Lakehouse architecture, and then really savvy business execution. Multi-cloud, open source, AI focused.
Addressing the big pain points.
They saw this fundamental gap in the market. how to manage all data reliably and make it ready for AI, and they filled it.
A really impressive journey.
It is.
Yeah.
So maybe for you listening, what is this Databricks story, this success in building a unified, AI-ready data platform? What does that suggest about where managing information is heading?
Yeah, what does it make you think?
What does it make you think about your own data strategy? About the potential power of actually bringing all that scattered information together in one place? Something to chew on.